What's up, guys? We're in the G right now, 162,000 miles. Got the scanner right here. Unfortunately, we do have a code. Rescan it really quick. It's for cylinder 4 misfire. Wow. Current. As you guys saw, we have the cylinder 4 misfire. I'm pretty sure it's a coil. If it's not a coil, I think it might be a spark plug. If not, we'll go further. We got the coil right there, so let's get to it. This is the G. Motor's a little janky, a little coolant right there, a little something right there, that's a little broken, a little oil, nothing too crazy. The firing order on the VQs, it goes 1, 2, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 is the middle one on the driver's side passenger. It's gonna be behind this, so gotta take that out. We gotta take this off, and then we get access.